Hi, I'm Lionel, this is techloto, and this is my unboxing video for the Polo Ignite. The Polo Ignite comes in a really nice white and red box. As soon as you pull the box apart, you can see your Polo Ignite, but first let's look around the box. If you turn it round, you can see information about what's available with the watch, the advanced wrist-based heart rate, the nightly recovery measurements, sleeping stages, and personalized daily workouts, which is my absolute favorite right now. But let's get into it. Separate the inner box from the outer layer, and as I said, you can see the watch straight away. But before you get to pulling it apart, just open the top part of the box, and you can just slide the watch out of the middle. Straight away you can see how beautiful this watch looks. Now when you unbox your watch, it won't be charged, it'll be completely dead, so you just need to make sure it charges. I'd advise you to charge it to about 100%. I really like the look of this. It's a lot lighter than the Polo Vantage V, while still keeping with the same design that we've come to love. Depending on the design that you choose, the watch has a nice metallic looking bezel around it. At the bottom of the clock face you can see the Polo logo. You still get that high quality feel that you're used to with Polar. And as always, the band feels absolutely amazing. When you put it on, it feels really nice on the wrist. And if you look on the back of the Polo Ignite, you can see that the heart rate monitor is consistent with the Polo Vantage V and the Polo Vantage M. I also like the new brighter digital screen, but I'll be covering more about that in the review. If we go back to the box, we can see that the Polo Ignite comes with a charger. It's just a charging cable and not the plug. So all you have to do is find a USB port and you can get moving. In the box you also have a bundle of instruction manuals that gives you information about how to use your watch, how to set it up. It's in different languages, so you only need to look at the one that's relevant to you. Next you have another leaflet that gives you warranty information. So when you're done unboxing your Polo Ignite, pack everything else away, connect the charger and move on to setting it up. The setup process can take about half an hour and might require some troubleshooting. So I'll upload another video shortly that'll show you how to set up your Polo Ignite and help you troubleshoot any issues that you may have during the process. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, remember to like the video, leave a comment and tell me about your first impressions of the Polo Ignite, and remember to subscribe to techloto so that you can be notified when I upload the how to set up video. Visit the Teespring page to buy some merch, and don't forget to visit the website.